Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a monogram logo using the rectangle tool and shape builder tool. Make sure watch to the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Select a stroke color and take the stroke thinness around 5 point. OK. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now I will generate automatically another copy by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Hold Alt and make some longer. Now select all and go to the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click this center. Rotate 50 degrees. And copy. From here, set the fill color to none. OK. Now right-click on the mouse. And go to the Transform, Reflect. And copy. After that, hold Shift and select this, and this. And press Delete. Now select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now click and drag to join these parts carefully. Join every small part carefully. Join every small part carefully. OK. After that, select these three shapes, and drag it out. Select these extra parts, and press Delete. Now select all, and go to the object. Expand, and click OK. Go to the Pathfinder and Compound. Again select all, and select a color of your choice. After that, select the Type tool. Click. Select a color. Now go to the character panel and choose a font from here. I am using Poppins bold font. OK. Now increase to 200 from here. Now select, hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Double-click on the text. Shorten by pressing Shift. And increase the to 500 from here. Now select this and go to the Align. And horizontally align center from here. Now select all and horizontal align centers from here. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.